Welcome back to Random Rock Paints. Today I'm going to be doing the sun kissing the moon. And the moon's going to be yellow instead of white. Must be from the rays of the sun. I chose a river rock that's flat and round because I am not going to be base coating the rock. I'm going to be using a watercolor paint set that has 42 colors on it, and it's like a paint swatch. And it comes with a water pen, which I'll be using. It's very vibrant colors. And I'm picking these colors here because I like the richness. And what I'm doing is I'm going to be basically staining the rock with these watercolors. And I'll also be using Julie watercolor Lollipop series paints to make the moon and stars shimmer. I will leave a link in the description below of all the materials I used. And first I'm going to be sketching out on the rock.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
I'm going to be painting it now.
The most of this night, come on baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't want to do. Let's make the most of this night. Come on, baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't wanna do.
Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Don't miss out on the next video coming up. I will be sharing what products and tips on what I use to seal these rocks with. Thank you for watching.